In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but more precisely, we will see le sien. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about le sien. And the possessive pronoun le sien can be translated into English as his, hers, one's own, or his, her, one, depending on the context. And remember that le sien is masculin singulier. So we will see some examples with le sien. Mon projet est ambitieux, mais le sien est encore plus audacieux. Mon projet est ambitieux, mais le sien est encore plus audacieux. Mon ordinateur est rapide, mais le sien est encore plus performant. Mon ordinateur est rapide, mais le sien est encore plus performant. Notre plat est délicieux, mais le sien a une saveur unique. Notre plat est délicieux, mais le sien a une saveur unique. Mon nouveau projet est très intéressant, mais le sien est tout simplement passionnant. Mon nouveau projet est très intéressant, mais le sien est tout simplement passionnant.